just for standing, shoot you if you tried to run. He was big as a tree and he did as he pleased, and everything he did was bad. They said if he was to kill him, it'd only make him mad. From the good lands came the cowgirl. Patty was her name. She was hot on the trail of that killer on a moped she called Flame. Because the killer had killed her daddy just for spitting in the road. You only had to kill her daddy once to get that gal P.O.'d. Yippee-yi-hey, cow Patty. Yippee-yi-hey, cow Patty. She rode into town to find the man that killed her daddy. Yippee-yi-hey, cow Patty. Killer hit town at daybreak, ate the door off the local saloon. He started to drink. You could tell he was thinking there'll be a showdown soon. Patty hit town in a cloud of dust. Old Flame was buzzing like a saw. And the whole town got as quiet as a church when the killer stepped out for the draw. 40 shots rang out. 40 people fell. Patty and the killer missed each other, but they shot that town to hell. Yippee-yi-hey, cow Patty. Yippee-yi-hey, cow Patty. She rode into town to find the man that killed her daddy. Yippee-yi-hey, cow Patty. Killer took a step toward Patty, said, "It's time I gunned you down." But he slipped in something that was laying in the street and was shot before he hit the ground. Yes, the killer slipped, and it cost him his life. And Patty said as she roared out of town, "You gotta watch your step when you know the chips are down." Yippee-yi-hey, cow Patty. Yippee-yi-hey, cow Patty. She rode into town to find the man that killed her daddy. Yippee-yi-hey, cow Patty.
But Rattler wouldn't do it because he liked like that coon. I saw them walking paw in paw later by the light of the moon. Oh, here, rattler, go, go, here, rattler, go. Oh, rattler from the barn, here, rattler again. Now old rattler's dead and gone like all good dogs do. You better not act the dog yourself or you'll be going there too. Here, rattler, go, go, here, rattler, go. Oh, rattler from the barn, here, rattler again. Turn the pups loose now, let's go. Here, woo, get him, go, go, see him. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, here, rattler, go, go, here, rattler, go. Oh, rattler from the barn, here, rattler again.
You heard about the legend of Jesse James and John Henry, just to mention some names. Well, there's a truck driving legend in the South today, a man called Bandit from Atlanta, GA. Ever give Jam knows his name? They swear he got ice water running in his veins. A foot like lead and nerves like steel. He's gonna go to glory riding 18 wheels. Oh boy, he left Atlanta back in '63, hauling him a load up to Tennessee. He hit Mount Eagle in a driving rain, so hard he couldn't even see the passing lane. Well, he started down the grade when he lost the gear. He hit them brakes, found he had no air. The Mount Eagle grade is steep and long, and everybody that seen it thought the bandit was gone. Awesome. Well, his truck jackknife turned completely round. He was coming down backwards about the speed of sound. A lot of folks seen him, and they all say he had his head out the window and clear the way. Well, he got to the bottom, safe and sound. Everybody asked Bandit how he made it down. He said, folks, when the truck picked up too much speed, I just run along beside it and drug my feet. You heard the legend of Jesse James and John Henry, just to mention some names. Well, there's a truck driving legend in the South today, a man called Bandit from Atlanta, GA. Ever give Jam knows his name? He swear he's got ice water running in his veins. A foot like lead and nerves like steel. He's going up to glory riding 18 wheels. Oh, tell me. Talk to me, you talk.
Hitch my horse up to my hack, buckle my banjo to my back. Buckle broke and the banjo through. Devil's got the buckle and the banjo too. Uncle Lee's got the coon and gone on, gone on, gone on. Uncle Lee's got the coon and gone on and left us a looking up a tree. Yum-a-dum-a-dum. Wake up, sister, don't you sleep too late. Keep your eye on the Golden Gate. Get out and dance by the light of the moon. See Uncle Lee from a fetching in the coon. Uncle Lee's got the coon and gone on, gone on, gone on. Uncle Lee's got the coon and gone on and left us a looking up a tree. What kind of slipper do the angels wear? Slipping and a siding on the golden stair. Golden slippers and a silver socks. Stop your nickels in the missionary box. Uncle Lee's got the coon and gone on, gone on, gone on. Uncle Lee's got the coon and gone on and left us a looking up a tree. When Ephraim told this world goodbye, he went to heaven to his home on high. Told St. Peter to make a room. Here comes Ephraim a fetching a coon. Uncle Lee's got the coon and gone on, gone